Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is I, Thomas, back at it again with yet another video 3 million years later as per usual. So we have a lot of catching up to do. Obviously my last video was a little bit sad, but it needed to be said, it needed to be posted, and in this video I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a follow-up and talk about that a little bit, and then we're going to be talking about a whole bunch of other stuff. We're going to be trying some new products, we're going to be chatting about my life, what's going to be going on. I missed filming in this kind of energy and this kind of excitement and this kind of attitude. I have some new products from Fenty, Elf, Morphe, drugstore, high-end, influencer brands. I just have a bunch of new products that I've been kind of wanting to try. By the way, I know I've been losing subscribers for like 6-7 months, however long it's been that I've been losing subscribers. But if you are new here and you love my content and you've been binge watching my videos and you're interested in seeing more content from me, please subscribe. It'll help me out a lot. And please comment anything. I'll be in the comment section down below as soon as I post this video or days after I post this video to chat with you guys, just to boost the engagement. So please, let's have a conversation. Comment anything, girl, like this, please. It will help get my video out there. By the way, today's video is sponsored. Let me interject here real fast. This is me in the future because I had to refilm this because I didn't really like how I did it the first time. Today's video is actually sponsored by Veritas Farms. I am actually super excited to be partnered with this company because I've actually used this company's products before. They have a lot of CBD based products, and I'm actually super excited because I've tried their oils and all this other stuff. They have so many different types of products, and they just recently came out with a bunch of skincare. I've been using it for the past month, maybe over a month now, and I'm actually like, if you can see my skin right now, my skin's great. I'm actually going to be using one of the products today, the hyaluronic day cream, as a primer today as well. I know that there's a lot of CBD stuff going on, and like CBD is like all the craze now, but there's such good benefits around CBD, at least from what I've experienced using CBD. Especially in the skincare, I have been trying the hyaluronic day cream, blemish cream, and then the eye cream. The hyaluronic and the eye cream are probably like my favorites because I just love moisturizing. I love having very moisturized, glowy, supple skin. I like the blemish cream more as like a spot treatment. I like to use my Q-tip and apply it on, as you can see on the video over the screen here. But the reason why I like the hyaluronic day cream is because not only is it like perfect for under your makeup, like I love it for under your makeup. It's so calming to the skin. I think that's why I love CBD so much, because CBD has always been such a go-to for me when I'm just needing to zen the F out. And the fact that it's in skincare is even better because I notice a lot of anti-inflammatory traits with using CBD based products. And then you have the cucumber eye cream, so it's going to be very hydrating and very depuffing under the eye. So it's perfect for prepping your under eyes for the day, and then also for concealer. Honestly, I mean, any moisturizer is really good for prepping for your skin, but this stuff's amazing. Definitely check out Veritas Farms. They are an amazing company. I will have a coupon code. Buy this in a bundle, or you can buy these products separately. I recommend the bundle. I definitely recommend these products a lot, so I would check out the bundle and please use my code down below as well, just so you kind of get that deal. I also have a link down below where you can get these products. And yeah, check out Veritas Farms, you guys. They're an amazing company. I definitely think you should check them out. If you're excited about today's video, if you're excited to see what I have to say, what I have to share with you guys today, then keep on watching, sister. Okay, so to prime my skin, I want to go into the Veritas Farms Hyaluronic Day Cream Full Spectrum Hemp Oil. This bad boy right here. This is an amazing moisturizer, but it's also a great primer as well. So, to kind of give you guys, to kind of like update you girlies on what has been going on over the past 2 weeks since my last video, my last breakdown on the internet for everyone to see. I've been in psychiatry. I'm seeing a psychiatrist twice. She's technically my psychiatrist and my therapist. She's amazing. I will have to ask her permission to kind of like shout her out to a bunch of people, but if she gives me the permission, I would love to show you guys my doctor, my psychiatrist, the people that live in Austin, Texas, and that are looking for a nice, awesome, amazing, kind-hearted, understanding patient, great advice, just really smart individual that's been years in the business. I'd love to share her to you guys. My first evaluation was about 4 days after I posted that video. Evaluation basically made me feel like a normal human being that felt really validated and like normal. Like I was like telling her like all my symptoms, what's been going on, the mood swings, the poor response to things, my consistent need to react to people that are negative to me, my inattentive behavior where I just kind of don't do anything. I never finish anything, I never start anything. Just anything that has to do with ADHD, I told her. She just made me feel like, okay, yeah, these are issues, but it's amazing that you're fixing them. It's amazing that you're coming to me, trying to better yourself, get treatment, and kind of stop all this, you know, negative behavior that comes with which is a downside of having ADHD. Now I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. This foundation is absolutely amazing. It is the best drugstore foundation I have ever used in my life. I think this is my favorite hands down foundation in a while. It just looks so good on the skin. It's full coverage, but it doesn't look cakey. Do they still test on animals? Ooh. Well. It was just really nice talking to her. And I got back on my medication, which is Vyvanse. If you guys don't know what Vyvanse is, it's basically Adderall. And since then, I have just did a full 180, baby. Literally the first day back on, I got all my, literally the first day I made a schedule that I'd like to stick to, like a work schedule. Because I work from home, so like, God, this foundation is so sickening. I work from home, so it's like hard for me to like stick to a schedule. And I have ADHD on top of that, so like, yeah, okay, I want to film at 12 p.m., but girl, am I really going to film at 12 p.m.? I built this schedule to stick to because it kind of brings the structure. Just like building a calendar and just sticking to it and like rewarding yourself for sticking to that schedule will actually go a long way. Like it's helped me out a lot. Second day, I took a sit down to look at all of my finances and how I've been spending, especially at my peak of like my career and my money making, which would be like 2018, what I was spending it on, how I was spending it and all that stuff. And I made out an Excel sheet of like everything that I spend my money on, basically just budgeting my money, making like a average of how much income I make a month, an average of, not really an average, but like an actual estimate of the bills that I pay. Stuff that I haven't done pretty much ever since I made the amount of money that I make. I know there's people that watch me that struggle with what I struggle with, and it's not just ADHD, it's depression, anxiety, all that stuff. And if I can at least inspire someone to try and get help, that means I've done my job in some capacity. So, and then the second session went really well. I had to up my dosage a little bit because I'm a big boy. Yeah, so that's what's been going on. I do plan on being more active on my YouTube. My goal is twice a week, but it's a goal, not an actuality. You guys, these e.l.f. concealers, the 16-hour camo concealer and the hydrating camo concealer, these two concealers, that has been my life the past week. I've also been taking courses online. The thing that I've noticed while on this Vyvanse, because this is the analogy I used with my therapist, my psychiatrist, my last session, which was a couple days ago. While I wasn't on my Vyvanse and treating my ADHD, it was like I was in this field of roses and I was running towards all these beautiful roses and flowers and stuff like that, like living my best life, not realizing that behind me, I was leaving behind fire. I was stomping on all the flowers. I was just leaving behind this like destruction. But I also realized, like while I'm running, I can hear the flowers and feel the flowers being crushed beneath my feet, and I can smell the smoke behind me, but I'm still choosing to ignore it and run straight ahead into this field of flowers. And then it's like this treatment and this medication and the stuff that I'm doing to like counteract the horrible, like the really bad side of ADHD made me stop and get off that path. It's not even like I'm on that path anymore. It's like I'm off that path and I'm seeing it for what it was. I'm seeing the destruction and the field of roses. I'm literally seeing it from a third perspective, not me turning around and seeing all the destruction, and continuing on down that path. It's I'm off the path and I can see it clearly of what was going on, what was happening, what I was doing wrong, how to fix it, where to go from there. Before I conceal my under eyes, I'm gonna do the new, I'm so excited to try this, the new Fenty cream bronzers. This is Butter Biscuit. These look so delicious, like, ugh. I've been so into like cream contouring lately. So it's been really, ooh. Kind of realized that, like, you know, I've been losing subscribers mainly and like followers mainly because of my inconsistency, my consistent complaining about it, like, and doing nothing about it. And you know, I have no one to blame but myself for my inconsistency, but I want you guys to know things will be changing because of what's been going on with me and the proactive steps I've been taking. Actually, this last week, and the reason why I haven't posted since that video and since I've been on the Vyvanse and stuff like that is because I have been working at figuring out where I'm gonna go as far as direction with my channel and like what's really about to happen with like content and like just like my overall direction with everything. Because I've noticed when looking back at my content, like I did try to do new things and switch it up back in 2019 and I just gave up on it. And that was, you know, a symptom of what I was going through. And I just went back to the same old, not realizing that to grow and to continue to survive in this world of beauty and just like, you just have to evolve. And I wasn't evolving, you know, I just got really lazy with it. So I've been doing a lot of digging and thinking and figuring out what I'm gonna do. And this past week, I've actually been taking these courses and taking the Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects courses to really like, cause I've been editing on Final Cut Pro and Final Cut Pro is nice, especially if you're a beginner, but I'm not a beginner. I've been doing this for a long time. Adobe Premiere Pro is what everyone uses, even like to edit movies that you see like and stuff like that. It's what they use to edit music videos, literally all that stuff. You can do crazy stuff. And I've been taking a course. I think this video will be my first video that I use editing with Premiere Pro. And I just want to get better, like kind of level up and advance. I don't like know what the future really holds if, you know, I will find my place again in this community. But I do know that I'm resilient. And the one thing that my therapist told me that really stuck with me is that, yeah, the scandals and the people talking and the haters, all that stuff, they might have taken away this platform that I had, this clout that I had, this presence that I had that was, you might have been able to hit 1 million subscribers this year if you didn't do all that stuff. But the one thing that never left, the one thing that never went away is your creativity, your talent, and your resilience. You know, you'd say, because I told her, like, I feel like I've been pushed out of this community that I've been in for so long. And she was like, you say that you feel like you've been pushed out, but you're still there. And that stuck with me. I'm like, you know what, you're right. Like, I'm still here. You know, no matter how many scandals and how many videos that are made about me, no matter how many people try to expose me and try to make me out to be this bad person when I know who I am and all that stuff, like, I'm still here. I still have you guys who are watching right now. I still have all that stuff, you know, the people that are unfollowing and leaving, like they weren't meant to be here anyway. God, I love, this stuff is bomb. The Fenty cream bronzers are it, girl. They're so pretty. And like, they look so natural. Like, what the hell? Okay, so next up, I'm going to try the Fenty Beauty Cream blushes in the shade Strawberry Drip. This has been used by my boyfriend, but it's not been used by me. I'm kind of disappointed in how small the packaging is. It looks really tiny. Oh, I might have put too much. I've been really into cream products lately. I don't know what has gotten into me because I used to be such a cream product hater. I'm a reformed cream product hater. I have seen a lot. I have seen Christ himself. He came down into my bedroom. You know, I just love Jesus Christ so much. He just came to my bedroom and handed me this Fenty cream blush and he just left. And right then and there, I just knew that I was supposed to be using this product for the rest of my life. Ah! So yeah, that's what's been going on with me. I've also been getting, if you guys don't know, I stream on Twitch. Yes. Yes. Literally. Can you get the fuck out of my shot? Thank you. I stream on Twitch a lot, so please go check me out on Twitch. I play video games on there. I play League of Legends, so if you're interested in League of Legends, I stream on there, I play on there. I also do my makeup over there sometimes. It'd be another place where you can support me, hang out, and chat with me live while I do stuff. Like, it's not just me on like Instagram Live talking to you guys. Like, I'm actually making content live. A lot of positive things for myself. Very rare here. Very seldom that I do positive, healthy, productive, mentally boosting things for myself. So shout out to that. So what else do I want to share with you guys? I feel like I've updated you guys on a lot of stuff. Like, this video obviously marks like the beginning of a new chapter for me, for this channel. So for Eyes to Die, I'm going to be going in, please ignore this because this is brand new and I haven't used it, but I used it as like a palette for my Evelyn look to like mix the creams together. Just ignore it. I think I did use this for my Evelyn look, but we're still gonna make it. Yeah, I used it for my Evelyn look. I did. I used the purples, but she's still a new product that I'm gonna use. So yeah, we're gonna try to get back in the groove of things. I do have ideas. You know, the other day I had like this really shitty back and forth with myself, thinking like, oh, that idea sucks. This idea sucks. I don't feel confident in this idea. Like, I didn't feel confident in any of my ideas, so I didn't want to do them. I don't know, just having a bunch of creative blocks is literally like the worst place to be in, especially as a creative, and that's where I was like a couple days ago. That's why I'm not gonna lie, being quarantined like this has been a little bit annoying, and it's been annoying for everyone, but it's like the most safe thing to do. I was planning on moving back to California, and I can't really do that right now, and my lease is almost up, so I might have to like sign another year or sign like a month to month or something. And it's just like, it's been like weighing on my brain. I'm like, do I really want to spend another year here? How is Carlos gonna take that? Like, because he's really adamant on going back, and it's just, you know, but it's kind of like we have to stay safe and keep other people safe, and it's not really about us right now. So I'm just trying to keep that in mind. Like, it's not about what I want and what I need right now. It's about like the safety of population. So I'm just trying to like get out of this like, man, I want to be able to like do what I plan on doing type of mentality, because it's like kind of selfish to think that way, because there are people that are genuinely dying from this. All right, so this concludes today's video, this little get ready with me. I tried some new products. I'm gonna go over them real quick. So the Fenty cream bronzer and blush is amazing. I love these so much. You definitely need to check them out. I'm literally gonna be using this all the time now. Like, look at my bronzer, blush. Like, it's so subtle and pretty and just effortless and fresh looking. You guys definitely need to try the e.l.f. concealers or the camo concealers. There's hydrating and the normal one. The normal one's in the black lid, and then the hydrating one's in the white lid. Obviously, you guys check out Veritas Farms. They sponsored today's video. Check all the links down below as well. They have amazing skincare products, so please check them out. Click the link down below and try out their skincare. The Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, you know, she's cute. If you want to support Morphe, it's real cute. Or if you want to support Jaclyn Hill, I liked it. I've used it. I mean, it's not a bad palette. Like, it's like a okay-ish palette. Yeah, I'm excited for what's to come. I'm excited for you guys to be along this journey. I'm excited to rebuild what I once kind of lost and just really get in it. Again, I stream on Twitch at twitch.tv/Thomas Halbert. Download the app, make an account, whatever. I will be posting on a gaming channel, like my Twitch stuff. I will be posting like edited clips and stuff like that, like funny videos of like funny moments, like highlight reels of my Twitch stuff on a YouTube channel that I'll have linked down below. Follow me in Carlos's vlog channel. We'll start posting on there soon. Follow me on all my social media. I'm doing a League of Legends cosplay series on my Instagram. Any updates regarding anything will be on my Twitter, so definitely check out my Twitter as well. Hit the bell notification so you're notified when I do post videos, subscribe, all that stuff. You guys know the drill with that. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.